Hey guys, this is Nikki of Bubble Babes and of Bubble Babes University. Today we are going to make bath bombs. I am testing my hand with some new 3D molds, and I got these molds from Etsy. The store is called Parton Prints. Before we go on, please like, comment, and subscribe. And also turn on your notifications bell so you won't miss another video. I purchased 2 of these bath bomb molds. One is the Nerdy Bunny and another one was a mini bath bomb duck. Now, I think maybe if I purchased them a little bit bigger, I purchased a 2-inch and a 3-inch. So if I purchased it a little bit bigger, maybe it would have been easier for me to get out. I tried a few different methods and also 2 different recipes, and I still was unsuccessful. I packed it in, I loosely packed it, I tapped the crap out of it, and I still, like, some came out and some did not come out. I kept adding oil, I kept adding Witch Hazel just because they said, the mixture needed to be damper. So I kept trying different things. So I am going to try another recipe, and I'm going to try my friends from Mo River Soaps recipe, Holly, and see if that one works for me. But for this batch, I ended up getting, I think, about 5 or 6 of the bunnies and 1 duck. The duck, the first time I did it, came out perfectly. After that, it did not. But maybe if I try the other recipe, it will work, because it was smoother than this duck, this bunny one. The bunny one kept getting stuck where the eyeglasses were, the dimples were coming off, and I've tried everything. I'm going to try another method and see if that works. But it looks like they were coming out good, but I was having such an issue. It took me forever. I think I was on this for about 2 hours. I will keep you all posted about my bath bomb experience and see if the other recipe is going to be better for me. I'm definitely not going to be doing the bunnies for the rest of the year because Easter is almost here, so that is a done deal. But I want to purchase some more from this seller because they had amazing customer service. So I really, really, really want to give them another try, because maybe, it should have been a bigger size, because actually the actual bunny that I had, I ordered it in a 2-inch, and they suggested that I do the 3-inch, but maybe if I did the 4-inch, it would have been better because the grooves would be bigger. I'm not sure, but like I said, the little duck worked fine the first time. It didn't work so well after. And I'm just going to make a batch of the ducks and see if I'm happy with that, and purchase something else. Because like I said, I really, really, really enjoyed them. They had very good customer service. They were quick to respond, and they're quick to ship out. They shipped this out in like 2 days. So, a lot of the other sellers, they took over a week or 2 to get you the 3D molds. This one, not so much. 2 days, they shipped it right out. Actually, mine went out the next day. So I was very impressed with that. So you guys check them out and look at their bath bomb molds and see what you like. But like I said, I'm going to continue to give it another try. I'm going to try another recipe, see if it works. And that is that. I will keep you posted. So share this video with a friend. Let everybody know it's popping over here. And I will see you guys in the next video. Oh yeah, don't forget about the Honor Society. If you have not yet joined the Honor Society, all the information will be down in the link below. Every Tuesdays and Thursday we go live. Tuesdays is Let's Talk Tuesdays, and we're discussing all things business. And on Thursdays we're live in the session studio, and we will have a guest from the industry. And if you have any suggestions on who we should have as a guest on our show, please post it down below in the comments. We would love to hear from you. All right, you guys, this was very long-winded, so I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys have an amazing day. See ya.